Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with a detailed review video of this Babyhug bottle sterilizer. So let's check it out. So it comes with three compartments. 1, 2, 3. This is machine base. This is sterilizer container, and this is accessory rack. This is accessory rack. You can put accessories like bottle cap, teether, soother, and some toys. This is measuring cup. This is sterilizer container. You can put bottles over here. It can fit up to 6 bottles, and we can boil eggs over here also. And to warm milk, you can remove this part and put bottle over there. This is base. We have to fill water 140 ml over here.
आता तो टाइमर बरका स्टार्ट करा की काही मुहूर्ताची वाट बघताय का? आता आहे ना तो टाइम
Plus minus signs are for decreasing or increasing the timer, and for temperature, by pressing this mode button we can shift to different modes over here as sterilize, drying, food warmer, milk warmer,